This isn't just another product launch, it's a line in the sand. Over the last few weeks, we've taken you inside the real story. Setbacks, tough calls, and breakthroughs. The kind of behind the scenes that most brands won't show, but we're not most brands. This new line of sunglasses is a result of every hard moment we've faced and every lesson we've taken away from it. Every insight, every bold decision, all of it led us to here. This is the next chapter in our mission to build better as a brand. We didn't just set out to make another pair of sunglasses, there are plenty of those. We set out to prove a point. You don't have to choose performance and sustainability. You can actually have both, without the big brand markups and without settling. Every component in this line is made from recycled or bioplastic materials. And not only is it sustainable, it's the best work we've ever done. We engineered these sunglasses to outperform everything on the market. Incredible comfort, maximum durability, and next level performance. And our lenses in these sunglasses are now made with 60% premium upcycled polycarbonate. They go toe-to-toe with the biggest names in the industry. They don't just compete, they win. Because we sell direct to you, you get all of this: cutting-edge design, premium materials, and an industry-leading warranty at a price that redefines value. This isn't just about sunglasses, it's about rejecting the status quo. It's about building something better and bringing others with us. So if you're wearing Revant, you're not just wearing sunglasses, you're part of the Build Better revolution. Thanks for being here. Let's push things forward together.